Wow, it's overwhelming.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
Such an influencer. Look at this guy just influencing the people, giving them what they want.
Do you feel influenced yet?
Giving them what they need, giving them what they want. Give the people what they want. Will he make it? Are the legs strong enough? Oh, slowly but surely. Cut that out. This is a family program.
No
Cut that
obstacles
out.
can stop us here.
We don't make obscene gestures like that. Michael knows better. You would think with Joe being gone, it would be more of a family-friendly program, but Michael seems to be carrying the torch. We are going up.
Something about nature just riles me up, you know?
Yeah. Shout out to Joe. He's in the boundary waters right now. Hopefully not getting eaten by mosquitoes and bears. So hopefully he makes a video of that.
Stay safe, Joe.
Joe will pray for a safe arrival back here. We don't know when you're flying in. We'll probably get a text from you 5 minutes before you land. But yeah, we're on the road. thing I've ever seen. He lost his rod. I'm gonna make him get it himself just to complete the. Nice. Lost his rod. Got the fish.
It's my first grayling ever, too.
First little grayling.
Yeah, look at my rod. The tip broke off and it was just floating in the water. And all of a sudden, this thing bites me.
Let's see that fin. Can you pull it? Oh, you can't. Okay. Yeah, show off your fin or your first.
Pull it out.
Yeah,
It's not a big fin.
nice fin. Let's get in the water. Didn't work as planned.
Beautiful grayling. First one ever. Bye-bye.
First grayling ever.
I don't know why you bit that.
Rookie? Nice. Got one. Don't need net.
Oh, okay. No net for Phil. Wow, just a beautiful mountain backdrop here. Shout out Northland Custom Ironworks.
Thank you for sponsoring this video.
They welded this fly. Wow. Beautiful mountain brook trout. Nice.
Dunking the water skills.
How's the spot?
Wow, it's overwhelming.
You heard it, folks. Not underwhelming, but overwhelming.
Alrighty, Michael with the first fishy of the trip. How's it feel to be back?
Great. It's like a brookie.
Brookie?
Can you get a net?
Yep, I'm trying to unhook. That's a cutthroat.
Cuddy, I didn't know there were cuddy up there.
Yeah, I guess that's a cuddy. That's a really nice looking cuddy.
She's pretty.
Holy smokes.
Holy. Wow. It's like purple. Maroon and purple.
Wow. Yeah, that might be Joe's fly. Yep. Dang, nice.
Joe actually did tie that one for me.
Yeah, awesome.
Warrior Prince, I think is what he calls it.
Yeah. All right, let's get her in the water. Keep her in the water. Good wet hands. Oh, she wanted to go. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Oh, it is a little fish.
Ah, it's a windstorm up here. It's been raining hard all day.
But the bite is just phenomenal. Beautiful. Oh, we don't need a net.
But he's so big.
Little cutters.
Got him?
Feels good to get on the board. I had to switch to a dry. I wasn't getting anything.
On board.
Is it brookie or cuddy?
It's pretty good, Cuddy.
Cuddy. Nice.
Nice Cuddy.
Yep, my favorite bug. Stimulation.
love to stimulate.
Little guy wants to go.
Yep. Looks like a cutty again.
Michael has the hot fly so far. Need this? Oh.
Too much tip it on. Fish on, baby. Oh man, just smoked my dry. Absolutely destroyed it.
REI for the hail protection. Thanks. Holy crap. Dude, that is crazy. Alright guys, we are currently in shelter. We have a nasty storm coming in. What are your thoughts?
I just hope we survive.
Can you zip that up, please? I love that. I love you guys. I'll make it. If a tree falls,
I mean, you can hear the rain.
it's coming down pretty not hard. But the matter of time till it gets really bad.
Just a pitter patter before the storm.
It could get really bad. I don't know what's gonna happen. But while we're in our shelter, let's give a little shout out to our sponsor, Northland Custom Ironworks. If you got any fences that are broken, if your house is broken,
I'll fix your boat.
yeah, we'll fix it for you.
Tire repairs.
Yeah, over 75 years experience. Yeah, we'll fix it.
Minnesota's finest.
What are your thoughts on Northland Customs?
I've never got my stuff welded anywhere else.
Hey, did you hear they have sandblasting now?
What?
Mobile sandblaster.
What do they do with that?
You tell me.
Well, I think they can sandblast your boat, your fence,
Oh, you actually can sandblast a boat.
your house too.
I don't know why you would sandblast a house. But
Well, they'll do it. Use promo code CUDDY for 6% off your next order.
you heard it here, folks. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, someone who's on right now. He is on. What do you got? If it's small, I'm gonna smack you for saying it's big.
I didn't say it's big. I said it's big enough.
Oh my,
She's a monster.
it's a little minnow.
Look at That's not a minnow.
Pretty close to a minnow.
It's a beautiful Uinta cutthroat trout.
Let's go. Wow. So much balance. Not the safest.